Okay, now we are going to draw a directed draw of a mixed up chameleon, okay? Oh, let me see where I want to start. Okay, make sure you have your paper not up and down, okay? And then right about in the middle of your paper, draw a straight line across, just like that, okay? And now, not quite in the middle, you're gonna put your pencil on the line down here and draw a straight line up. Not to the top, just right there. Okay, now, the line that you just drew, you're gonna put your pencil on that and you're gonna draw a curved line over to connect to the end of this first line. Okay, and then on the next line we're going to do, you're going to come a little bit down and you're going to draw a curved line up and down to connect to this end right here. Okay, right here, let's see, on the very bottom, almost right in the middle, you're going to draw, put your pencil right here in the bottom and then draw like a little cup. Okay, and then on the back side, almost to the end, you're going to draw a little cup as well. Okay, those are going to be his feet. Okay, this part is going to be a little more challenging. Okay, this is probably going to be the hardest part that we do on the chameleon. Okay, so I want you to watch what I do, and then you'll have a chance to draw it, okay? So almost at the very bottom of this curved line, you're going to curve around just like that. Okay, and this is going to be his tail. Okay, so at the very bottom almost, you're going to kind of trace along, but you're going to make the tail, so you'll see what I'm doing. And then stop almost at the same spot. Okay, now at the very end of the two curves that you just drew, you're going to draw a cup to make it the tail. It's going to be like a little C. Okay. Right here, we are going to draw another curve, and this one's going to be kind of like a twisty curve, okay? I'm going to draw out, and then curve, curve, curve. And that's his tongue, because the tongues are really long. Okay? Next, over here on your tail, you're going to make a curvy line, probably like, actually let's start here. At your foot, okay, because it needs to be standing on something, we're going to draw a curvy line from the back foot over to the tail. Okay? And then from this foot to the other foot, we're going to draw another curvy kind of line. This is going to be a tree branch, okay? And then right on the other side, a curvy line as well. Okay, so now this is going to be the very end. Just follow with your pencil. You see how I'm following? I'm not making a mark. I'm following the same line, and I'm going to make a curvy line. Okay, and then I'm going to make a curvy line to the tail. You see I'm making a tree branch. Okay, and then follow. And then you're going to make a curvy line all the way. Okay, so we have our tree branch drawn. Okay, so on the bottom of your tree branch, underneath your chameleon, you're going to draw a straight line out. Okay? At the end of that line, you're going to draw a curved line. And then you're going to come to the other side and draw a curved on the bottom to meet right over here. Okay? Now on this line, the first line that you drew, oh, I forgot to, in the middle of your leaf, right from the line, you're going to draw the vein of the leaf. Okay? Now on this line right here, you're going to draw another line out from there. So we're going to make another leaf. Okay? So on the bottom of this, draw a curved line out. And then the bottom, we're going to draw another curved line and we're going to do right over to touch that end. Okay, from where your first line was, draw a line to make the vein of the leaf. And we're actually almost done. Okay, so we've got a few more things to do. Okay, so right here in the head, we're going to go up top here and draw a circle. Okay, and then inside this circle, you're going to draw another one and color it in because it's meant to be colored in black. Okay, so you're going to color it in so you'll know whenever you're tracing your lines that whole thing is black. Okay, just like our eyes have pupils, so does the chameleon. Okay, and now I want you to come up right here in the corner and draw a circle. Okay, and then we're going to draw some rays for our sunshine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in between each of those lines, draw smaller lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The only thing left is our stripes on our chameleon. Okay, so very first, we're going to come in the middle of this body and draw a straight line down. Okay. Over to the side towards the eye, you're going to draw a slightly slanted line down. And then right over here, halfway in between the head, okay, you're going to draw another line down. Okay, now over here on the other side, slightly slanted. And then over here, another slightly slanted line. And then here is the last one. Okay, now we're going to make let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to make 10 stripes on here, or 10 lines. It's going to be more than 10 stripes. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do want to make sure that you spread them out because in kindergarten they will just start making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and make them all right here. Okay, just make sure. A good thing to do would be to put your finger down in between each one. I should have said that at the beginning. Probably that would help more. Okay, and I believe that's it for our chameleon. Let me make sure. Yeah, I have all my pieces. Okay, so the next step is to trace all the lines in black. Okay, I'm going to show you my example. Miss Wolf, our student teacher, drew this up for me and I colored it. So here is your example. Like I said, you do not have to color it the same as me, but I do want you to remember that chameleons are normally green. So try to color some of it green and then you can color. I, of course, colored mine rainbow because that's the way it is in the book. And my favorite color is also rainbow. Okay, and I'm going to do 2 more activities with you, but this is it for now. And I will see you all in a minute. Bye.